NIO is no longer quietly waiting in the shadows. It is building towards one of the biggest breakout moments this stock has seen in years. We are talking about real-world developments happening right now. Deliveries are surging. A brand new factory is weeks away from going live. Major new vehicle launches are rolling out. And to top it all off, this year's NIO Day promises to unleash a third-generation flagship that could turn the entire EV narrative on its head. If you've been waiting for proof that NIO stock is about to boom, this is it. Subscribe now so you don't miss how this plays out, because the next few months could define everything. Let's talk about what is happening on the ground, because this is where the boom begins. NIO's third factory in Hefei is confirmed to start production this September. That's not speculation. Founder William Li himself announced it. The facility is fully prepared to scale output of the highly anticipated Onvo L90 SUV. That vehicle opens for pre-sale on July 10th, with demo models already appearing in showrooms across China. And this L90 isn't some rushed prototype. It is built on NIO's latest NT 3.0 platform. Features over 600 kilometers of range, luxury touches like zero-gravity seats, a ceiling-mounted entertainment system, and is priced to directly challenge mainstream competitors in the $40,000 range. More importantly, the L90 signals NIO's aggressive expansion beyond premium segments into the broader family and utility SUV market. If pre-sale demand is strong, which early indicators suggest, this alone could push NIO into an entirely new growth phase. As if the L90 and factory news weren't enough, NIO is strategically shifting its most important event of the year. NIO Day, traditionally held in winter, will happen this autumn. The headline reveal: the third-generation ES8 flagship SUV. The ES8 has always been a cornerstone of NIO's premium lineup, but this next evolution is expected to debut with NT 3.0 architecture, an upgraded 925 volts electrical system and full integration with NIO's battery swap ecosystem. Think about that timing. The L90 goes live, the factory scales, and NIO Day injects fresh attention just ahead of peak holiday buying season. That is textbook product momentum stacking, and it shows NIO's leadership understands how to maximize every level of consumer and market excitement. Here is the proof that this isn't hype. NIO delivered nearly 25,000 vehicles in June alone, marking its second highest delivery month ever. The Onvo sub-brand accounted for more than 6,400 of those, and for the second quarter, Onvo deliveries alone surpassed 17,000 units. We are not talking about projections or unproven concepts. These are vehicles on the road, deliveries happening, and revenue being generated. And with Factory 3 about to supercharge production, expect those delivery figures to keep rising, especially heading into third quarter. Zoom out for a second. NIO is executing on a multi-tiered strategy. The L60 for mass market competition, the L90 expanding into family SUV territory, the ES8 anchoring the premium flagship segment, and strategic battery swap infrastructure blanketing China. Combined with real delivery growth, an upcoming production ramp, and targeted event timing, the pieces are falling into place. But make no mistake, this moment is about execution. If pre-sale conversions are strong, if factory output scales smoothly, and if NIO Day lands as expected, NIO stock isn't just going to climb, it could boom. But if there are delays or underwhelming demand, the story stalls. This is why smart investors are watching now, not after the breakout. Do you believe NIO is finally positioned for that explosive growth moment, or are you waiting to see third quarter data confirm it? Drop your take in the comments. If this deep dive gave you clarity, hit subscribe and stay locked in, because the next few months may be the defining stretch for NIO's stock and its future. Thanks for watching.